Here's another live look here over in the St. Petersburg area, of course, just outside of Tampa there. And look at that. The weather's starting to improve quite a bit. Still some cloud cover, light showers out there, but not near as rainy and breezy as it was earlier. But things are getting a little better out there for them in the Tampa area. Of course, they didn't feel the brunt of it like Fort Myers, Naples, and Marco Island did, where landfall yesterday afternoon was down in the Marco Island area. Center of circulation, kind of a little break in the action there from Cedar Key to about Tampa, with some light showers there. Orlando getting a few light rain showers too. But farther to the north, that's where the heaviest rain now working its way onshore. Likely surge flooding here across the coast of Georgia, back into South Carolina, and back into Atlanta. Some heavier bands of rain starting to move a little closer to them as well. It can be some breezy weather out there today. Likely delays at Hartsfield Jackson International Airport there, so keep that in mind if you're trying to fly from New Orleans to Atlanta. But still a huge spread of rain from the Carolinas all the way back down to about Cuba, believe it or not. Now winds are at 70, so it's Tropical Storm Irma now. Winds are again 70, moving north-northwest at 18. Forecast does take it here not too far from Valdosta, Georgia, and then into parts of Birmingham to Memphis over the next 24 to 36 hours, where it'll lose its tropical characteristics and just be a remnant low across part of the Tennessee River Valley out there. But we can still see some cloud cover from that. The windshield again going to shrink down a little bit, still including Atlanta this evening, and eventually dying out once it gets to the Birmingham area early on Tuesday morning. Here in New Orleans right now, you can see a live look here from a World War II camera, a museum camera. You can see again some clouds over part of the city, 70 degrees, but dew point at 56. Another comfortable morning. Winds north-northeast at 13, gusting to 22. It's in the lower 60s on the north shore to 70s here all the way to the coastline. And you'll see the winds around 13 to 20 miles per hour, gusting to 22. We'll see those breezy conditions throughout the day today. You can see from 7 o'clock this morning, continuing to 10:30, and then eventually this afternoon, still around 10 to 20 miles per hour. Winds will die down as we head into tonight, and that's where we're going to start to see again some improving weather, but still having a coastal flood advisory till 1 o'clock for those eastern-facing shorelines there in the South Shore Lake Pontchartrain, with tides running 1 to 2 feet above normal. Kids headed to school here shortly, if not already. 60s for temperatures there, most areas. 77 and mostly sunny at lunchtime, and 83 when they come home. A lot of sunshine with some breezy conditions for the day today. You'll see again there is Irma off to our east, high pressure to our west. We're squished between the two, and that's why the avenue winds is stronger here, and it will stay breezy during the day today. Also, we are looking at again a lot of dry air here, looking at water vapor, and you can see the moisture tied in there with Irma, and that's helping to keep our weather pretty nice across our area. So precision cast does show as well Irma works its way through Georgia and Alabama. We're missing out on the rain. A few clouds may come in from the east today, but really the better chance of any clouds will be tomorrow, as Irma's well off to our north. We still have the low humidity out there, and a few more clouds will kind of work their way on in during the day Wednesday, giving us some partly cloudy skies and just a slight chance for rain at around 10%. So 83 today, 82 tomorrow, 85 on Wednesday. Looking at a few more clouds the next couple of days with a slight chance for rain. More humid weather arrives for the weekend. It turns hot too, with high temperatures around 90 degrees. Angie?
Thanks so much, and police remain on the scene of an early morning